Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something a little different from Dyson, their brand new hard floor cleaner, the WASHG1. Dyson's known for innovative vacuums, but how does their first dedicated wet cleaner stack up? Let's find out. First off, the design. The Dyson WASHG1 is surprisingly sleek and lightweight, much like their vacuums. It's easy to maneuver, and the build quality feels top-notch. The cleaner head is compact, with 2 microfiber rollers for handling wet spills effectively. I really appreciate the thoughtful design that makes it easy to clean and maintain. Now, onto performance. During my testing, the WASHG1 handled fresh spills with ease. It uses a unique approach. Instead of just suction, it combines hydration, agitation, and separation. This not only cleans well but also makes disposing of waste simpler. It works with just water, though you can add a cleaning solution if needed. I tested it on various spills, from sauces to oats, and it did a commendable job. For tougher stains, there's a max mode that boosts water usage, which helps, although it may require a few passes for dried-on messes. In terms of usability, Dyson has nailed it with intuitive controls and 3 hydration modes to suit different cleaning needs. There's even a self-clean cycle that keeps maintenance hassle-free. The WASHG1 isn't just effective, it's also designed to be user-friendly, from the removable water tanks to the easy-to-clean rollers. Wrapping it up, the Dyson WASHG1 is a promising debut into the wet floor cleaning market. It's sleek, efficient, and lives up to Dyson's reputation for innovation. If you're looking for a dedicated hard floor cleaner that simplifies cleaning and maintenance, this could be a great choice. That concludes our review of the Dyson WASHG1. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video.